Hello guys, this is Bisai. Today our topic is about the strength of reducing agents with organic functional groups. Now, I am going to comparing lithium borohydride with NaBH4, correct? Now here LiAlH4 and NaBH4, correct? For this LiAlH4, we know that AlH4 minus having tetrahedral shape. So Al, here one hydrogen, here one other hydrogen, this is hydrogen. Here having negative charge and which stabilize with the lithium plus. Here also same, here BH4 with negative charge, this stabilize with the Na plus ion, correct? Now, we know that the electron negativities of elements in the periodic table, the order fluorine is greater than oxygen is greater than chlorine equals to nitrogen, then bromine, then carbon is equals to iodine equals to sulfur is greater than hydrogen is greater than boron is greater than aluminum is greater than etc. We know that the electron negativity of fluorine 4.0, oxygen having 3.5 and both chlorine and nitrogen having 3.0, here bromine having 2.8 and these three elements are atoms having 2.5 electron negativity. Here hydrogen having 2.1 electronegativity, boron having 2.0, aluminum having 1.6. So this is what the order of electronegativity of elements in the periodic table, correct? Based on the electron negativities of hydrogen, boron and aluminum, here we know that the electron negativity of aluminum is 1.6, correct? And the electron negativity of hydrogen is 2.1, correct? What is the electron negativity difference between aluminum and hydrogen? So the difference is equals to 0.5, correct? So electronegativity difference between aluminum and hydrogen is equals to 0.5, correct? Here in case of NaBH4, boron having electronegativity 2.0 and hydrogen having electronegativity 2.1, and the difference between the electronegativities of boron and hydrogen will be 0.1. So this is what electronegativity difference between boron and hydrogen. The difference between the electronegativities of aluminum and hydrogen somewhat maximum compared to boron and hydrogen, correct? If the electronegativity difference increases, then somewhat ionic nature increases. Means the more electronegative atom acquires negative charge and less electronegative atom acquires positive charge, correct? So that is ionic nature. So here hydrogen is more electronegative, that is 2.1, and aluminum having less electronegativity, that is 1.6, correct? Based on this condition, here lithium aluminum hydride releases H minus ion. Why? Because more electronegative. Here NaBH4 also releases H minus ion. Here H minus ion means that is nucleophile. What is? That is nucleophile, correct? Nucleophile means electron rich species or electron excess species, correct? It will be attacked at where is electron deficient, correct? So out of these two reducing agent, lithium aluminum hydride is the strongest reducing agent. Why? Because It releases H minus ion very fast compared to sodium borohydrate. Correct? In case of aluminum hydrogen, here hydrogen, here also hydrogen, here also hydrogen, here negative charge, with this lithium plus will be stabilized, correct? If you take in place of hydrogen some alkoxy group, what is this? Alkoxy groups. If alkoxy groups occupies in place of hydrogen in lithium aluminum hydride, what will be happened? If alkoxy group occupies the hydrogen in lithium aluminum hydride, then here oxygen carries 2p orbital and aluminum carrying 3p orbital, correct? Here oxygen carries 2p, aluminum carries 3p. According to valency bond theory, here somewhat poor overlapping between 2p and 3p, 2p and 4p, 2p and 5p. Same orbitals having strong overlapping, but here 2p, this is 3p, n value changes here. So if there is a change in n value, then somewhat overlapping is poor overlapping. Then these alkoxy groups means this oxygen acts as a minus I group, simply electron withdrawing group, correct? If this oxygen acts as a electron withdrawing group or minus I group, then that oxygen attracts the electron density from aluminum. Then the electron density at aluminum will be decreased. Then the tendency to release H minus ion will be also decreased. Then the reducing tendency of Al, Li, Al, H3OR will be decreased. Now, if you take alkoxy group in place of hydrogen in sodium borohydrate, BHOR, H, here negative charge, here Na, correct? Na plus. Now, boron having 2p orbital, here oxygen also having 2p orbital, correct? Here aluminum having 3p, boron having 2p. So according to chemical bonding valency bond theory says that same orbitals having strongest overlapping, correct? Here somewhat strong overlapping between them. If the overlapping is strong, then this oxygen acts as a plus M group, means this oxygen acts as a plus M group, correct? Plus M is the dominating factor here compared to minus I group, here. Means if this oxygen acts as a plus M group, that is electron donating group, correct? So this oxygen releases electrons towards boron, then the electron density at boron will be increased. Then this boron releases H minus ion very fast compared to normal sodium borohydrate, correct? That is the main difference between lithium borohydrate, LiAlH4 and NaBH4, correct? Now the reducing strength of lithium aluminum hydride compared with the number of alkoxy groups increases. AlH4 hydrogen minus Li plus is greater than AlOR H negative charge Li plus is greater than AlH negative charge Li plus OR, here OR is greater than OR OR, here hydrogen negative charge with Li plus, correct? So the reducing strength of lithium aluminum hydride is maximum compared to remaining. Why? Because if alkoxy group, here alkoxy group acts as a minus I or electron withdrawing group, correct? Then the electron density at aluminum will be decreases. So that releases H minus ion very slow compared to here. Here the electron density having 80%, here somewhat 60%, here aluminum will be 40%, and here this aluminum having 20% of electron density. Based on this minus I groups, that is alkoxy groups, correct? Now here in place of alkoxy groups in NaBH4, the reactivity means the strength of the reducing power will be increased. Why? Because this will be acts as a plus M group, correct? Now NaBH4 is less than NaBH3, OR is less than NaBH2, OR taken twice is less than NaBH, OR taken thrice. So this is the reactivity, reducing strength. So this is reducing strength. That is the main difference between lithium aluminum hydride and NaBH4. Very excellent concept and very, very important concept in both JEE mains and NEET and advanced point of view, also very, very important concept, correct? The solvents here in lithium aluminum hydride and NaBH4, which type of solvents are feasible and possible? That is also very important. In lithium aluminum hydride, NaBH4 solvents, correct? In lithium aluminum hydride, the solvents are dry ethers, that is C2H5, diethyl ether, and tetrahydrofuran. This is THF, tetrahydrofuran, correct? Dry ethers, etc. You can take any ethers. We should not take simple water molecules or alcohols. What is the reason for lithium aluminum hydride reduction? We should not take water molecule as a solvent. Why? Because just I am taking one flask. So this is a flask. Lithium aluminum hydride with double bond O. This is keto function groups, correct? So the reduction between carbonyl functional group with the lithium aluminum hydride. If inside the walls of inside these walls, along the walls, if inside the flask, along the walls, if there is any water molecules are present, then first this lithium aluminum hydride will be react with these water molecules, correct? Then some LiOH plus AlOH taken thrice, etc. Like these products will be formed, correct? Then that reaction will be forbidden reaction. So first heat the flask until any water molecules along the walls of the flask, correct? First heat the flask until any water molecules along the walls of the test tube, along the walls of the flask. Correct? So this is dry reduction. This is dry reduction, and this aluminum hydride is non-selective reducing agent. Non-selective reducing agent and highly explosive reducing agent. Highly explosive. Next, versatile reducing agent. What is the meaning of versatile reducing agent? This reagent having tendency to reduce all the organic functional group. That is what? Versatile reducing agent. So, versatile reducing agent. Reducing agent. Correct? So, this is the solvent effect in lithium aluminum hydride reduction. In case of the solvents are simple, you can take water molecules or alcohols, etc. like this. Directly you can take in sodium borohydride. But in case of lithium aluminum hydride, we should not take water molecule. Why? Because this is highly explosive and highly reactive reagent. So before going to reaction between these two, this will be reacts with water molecule along the walls of the container or flask. So first we have to heat the flask until any water molecules. Correct? Now some important applications of reduction. Applications. The first application, if I am taking benzene, double bond, double bond, double bond. Here CH, double bond, CH, CHO. So for this LiAlH4 with diethyl ether. Correct? With 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. The same time, lithium aluminum hydride THF with 35 degrees Celsius. If the temperature increases, then both double bond and carbonyl group both will be reduced. And in case of low temperature, only the functional group will be reduced. That is also very, very important application. So, as usual, the benzene ring, CH, double bond, CH, CH2, OH. Correct? Now here, CH2, 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 OH. Correct? Both double bond also reduced at high temperature. Correct? Now the second application is CH3, double bond O, double bond O, H. Then LiAlH4, THF, NaBH4, simple water molecule. Then here this is a versatile reducing agent, means non-selective reducing agent, but this is selective reducing agent. So see OH, both functional groups aldehyde and keto function both will be reduced. Here in case of the most reactive aldehyde is the but with NaBH4, that is selective reducing agent, means which functional group is the most reactive towards nucleophilic addition. Out of these two, this is the most reactive towards nucleophilic addition. So this only will be converted into alcohol. This will be remain same. So as usual, alcohol. Correct? So this is the difference between LiLH4 and NaBH4 reduction. Now, why the reactivity of functional group like this? Now, based on the keto functional group, why the reactivity of nucleophilic addition aldehyde functional group will be maximum compared to keto functional group? Because of, we know that the electronegativity of oxygen 3.5 and carbon having electronegativity 2.5, correct? Means oxygen having more electronegativity, so always try to take electron density towards itself from carbon. Then carbon carries positive, oxygen carries negative, and here CH3, here this is also CH3, and after same like this, the electron density moves towards oxygen, then this oxygen carries negative and carbon carries positive charge, here hydrogen as usual, here CH3, correct? Out of these two, here carbon carries positive charge, here carbon carries positive charge. So here this group acts as a plus I group and electron donating group. This is also. So how many electron donating groups attached to this carbon? 2 electron donating groups, correct? Here 2 electron donating groups, 2 plus I groups, means electron releasing groups. Electron donating groups are electron releasing groups, correct? So with these electron donating groups, here some positive nature will be decreased, positive nature, but here only 1 plus I group, correct? Only 1 plus I. Compared to here somewhat maximum positive charge. We know that the nucleophile always attached at where is maximum deficiency. So compared to here maximum deficiency means maximum positive charge. So the incoming nucleophile first attacks here based on this, correct? Now one more explanation. Here ester functional group having more reactive towards nucleophile compared to amide. What is the reason here? Here we know that this group strong electronegative, means more electronegative compared to nitrogen. This is less electronegative. More electronegative, less electronegative, correct? So here sometimes acts as a minus I group, but here acts as a plus M is the dominating factor. If this acts as a minus I group, then it attracts the electron density from, then here positive charge will be maximum with this group, but here only resonance possible, means plus, due to plus M is the dominating factor. So here the nucleophilic addition in esters maximum compared to amides, correct? So this is the very excellent evidence for the nucleophilic addition reaction, correct? So based on this evidence, the reactivity order of functional groups. Reactivity order. First, formaldehyde is more reactive, then imine, 2, 3, no need, imine, then CH3 aldehyde, then CH3 ketone, then CH3 OR, then CH3 NH2, then CH3 OH, finally carboxylic acids. So this is the reactivity order of organic function groups towards nucleophilic addition. In reduction also this is the reactivity order. Thank you.